Here's our cabin. Got to have a cabin on a tall ship. This is all 2-inch foam. What we did here, this whole front piece is 6 foot long by 5 foot high. So what I did is I painted this with the golden brown first, and then I did it with the dark wash up on top. And again, that gives us some nice contrast on our cabin. I did this nice scroll piece up on top with a high seas expedition. I thought I gave it a nice scroll piece up on the top here. And on the ceiling, when you drop your mass in, you're going to see on the ceiling is there's a big hole cut out. And we did it in 2 pieces. That way, when your mass is right here, the ceiling came in and locked right around it. So we have a full ceiling. What we did is on the other side is we cut some portals on the other side just so we can let light through. See what we did here? This was the side of our cabin. We gave ourselves a little access point. We added dimension to our cabin here. And you can see in the back here, we did this backdrop to really push the cabin way back. Look how much dimension we have inside this cabin. Now, if you don't have the space, once again, you can always put the piece right here, or you can actually not cut the piece out at all. You can actually paint the cabin doors and just paint your mural right on the foam. Now, inside the cabin here, what I wanted is that nice, warm, fuzzy feeling, and purple does a great job. So go ahead and just paint the inside. You don't have to do the ceiling, just the top. And I'll tell you the reason why we're not doing the ceiling. What we added is we added these, from your home improvement source, some accent lighting. And the whole purpose we don't paint the ceiling is because light reflects very well off white. So you get this nice, warm glow inside your cabin. Again, it's all about the detail.